The moonlight glowed faintly through the window as Bluey tiptoed across the living room, a big blanket dragging behind her like a secret costume. Her eyes sparkled with mischief as she whispered, "Tonight, I'm the spooky blanket monster," her voice rising with dramatic mystery. Bingo peeked around the corner, curious but unsure. "What are you doing, Bluey?" her paws trembling with excitement. Bluey giggled, pulling the blanket over her head until only her tail stuck out. "Huh," she moaned, swaying side to side like a ghost. Bingo gasped, clapping her paws over her mouth. "It's a monster," she squealed, running in circles with a mix of fear and delight. Bluey chased her, wailing, "Beware the blanket beast," her voice echoing like thunder in the quiet night. 5 seconds later, Coco knocked on the door, hearing the commotion. Bluey jumped in front of her with the blanket. "Boo!" she cried. Coco shrieked, leaping backward, then burst into laughter. "You scared me," her giggles bouncing around the room like sparkles. Soon Snickers waddled in, sniffing suspiciously. "What's going on here?" he asked, his brow raised. Bluey crept closer, growling under the blanket. Snickers barked bravely, but when Bluey leapt out shouting, "Surprise!" he toppled backward, rolling in laughter. 10 seconds later, Bingo shouted, "My turn," grabbing another blanket. Together she and Bluey became the double blanket monsters, stomping around with silly growls, chasing their friends through the hall. The house filled with squeals, giggles, and dramatic shouts as everyone joined the spooky game. Dad peeked in, holding a snack. "What's all this noise?" he asked, but before he could finish, Bluey and Bingo leapt at him with a giant "Boo!" Dad stumbled backward, pretending to faint dramatically, making the pups roar with endless laughter. As the game slowed, the blankets tumbled off and the pups collapsed in a happy heap. Bluey sighed, "Scaring is fun when it makes friends laugh," her voice soft but full of joyful pride. Bingo nodded, still giggling, "Best blanket monster ever." Bluey turned to the camera with a cheeky grin. If our spooky game made you giggle, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more playful adventure.